Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, since school is closed, we have a science kit because I'm doing school at home. And this kit has won many awards here, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, so the first lesson is called reaction time. So we have all our supplies out, but I'm going to read through what we need. So it says put on your safety goggles. So I'm going to put them on. Set up your lab bench as shown below. With chalk, write powders and colored water on the chalk cloth, which we already did. Make sure the beakers are dry. To the powders beaker, add 1 level teaspoon of citric
acid.
Plus 1 level teaspoon of sodium
bicarbonate.
Swirl the beaker to mix powders together. Now we're going to swirl the beaker with powders to mix together and then move on to the colored water. So we just put 100 millimeters in this cold water, and now we're gonna do 1 drop of this food coloring. Now we're gonna pour the blue colored water into the powder and see what will happen. What do you think will happen? That's pretty cool. Now let's write what we saw. Well, it says what do you want to, but we're gonna write what we saw. So this was definitely a chemical reaction, and then I'm gonna show you what I drew, what it looked like, and then I'm gonna say what I wrote. I think it was cool because it was like a volcano just came. It was blue. It was like a blue volcano. What did you see? Stay tuned for the next experiment. So we're gonna do the next experiment, which is called reaction time. And we're gonna use all the same ingredients, but we're gonna add a candle this time. Step 1 is always put on your safety goggles. Then you set up your lab bench, but we already did. Then make sure the things are clean. And then you want to add like the teaspoons of the sodium
Bicarbonate.
And then the
Citric acid.
And 1 teaspoon in each thing. Now swirl it together. Now we have 100 millimeters of water. Now we're gonna add 1 drop of dye. Now let's pour the colored water into the powder. You saw in the video that the bubbles were blowing out the candle, but you can see at first it was kind of going, but then it just blew out. So have you done any of these kind of experiments before? Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the bell, subscribe, and like button. Bye.